how to buy crypto on Binance P2P. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Binance account, and after that, when we click on this option of trade, we can see the option of P2P. Simply click on it and wait for it to load. And here on the P2P section, make sure that you select the option of buy, then select the currency of your choice that you want to use. And after selecting your currency over here, simply type the amount that you are looking for. This way you would be able to check out all the possible people out there that you can choose for your transaction. And after that, simply select the option of a payment method that you are going to use, and also make sure that you have connected your payment method to your Binance account. You can also select the reason over here, and after that, make sure that you select someone with highest positive feedback, because it is quite important. Then check out the prices and all sort of details. The payment methods are also written over here. Then click on this option of buy USDT accordingly. Let's select a payment method as well. So we'll select one more, and bank transfer as well. And this way you would be able to see all the different possible options available to you. Choose them wisely while doing this and click on buy USDT. Then you can select more details about it, like how much amount you want to use in order to purchase the USDT. And here you can see the amount of USDT that you will be receiving. Now after purchasing this USDT, you can utilize it to purchase crypto. And this is how you would be able to purchase crypto using P2P on Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.